for the land of the free and the home of the brave.
And we also brought our miniature donkey, Ginger, to the fair this year.
Route 66!
Oh.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
Hey, I'm Tom. And I'm Mike.
And we are
Gloriana.
And we just wanted to give a special shout out to the San Bernardino County Fair. Thank you so much for having us.
It's good to be here.
It's good to be here. I'm a California girl myself, so it feels good to be close to home, and we love y'all.
Thanks, guys.
I should have pushed you up against the wall. I should have kissed you, just like I wasn't scared at all.
Y volver, volver, volver.
Hola, soy Héctor Domínguez y les quiero mandar un saludo a todos los de la feria en el condado de San Bernardino. Los quiero mucho, gracias por la invitación y fue un placer estar aquí.
Big shout out to San Bernardino County Fair. We love you, man.
And we're the farm, and we're so excited to be playing the San Bernardino County Fair right here on Memorial Day. What a great way to celebrate our heroes and be here in sunny California. So,
Party!
come see us.
God bless. I've been away too long. Take me back to my home, sweet home. Yeah.
Sunway on down the Jackson Girl. We're coming around the corner. Here comes Petey. Come on, let's go to Bean. Oh, they're hopping over. Come on, let's go.
Sometimes this world starts breaking me down. I get so lost, I think I'll never.
Hey, we're building 429.
We just got done playing an amazing show here at the San Bernardino County Fair. You got to come check it out. This place rocks.
Come on out.
Jack Blades here from Night Ranger, and the San Bernardino County Fair rocks. We rocked them tonight. You guys will enjoy it. Have a great time out here. San Bernardino County Fair rocks!
I'm Paul. I'm Sean. I'm Michael. This is my girlfriend.
That's Charlie Paxton on drums. And we're here. We're glad to be here. Victorville. Let's rock.
You're bundled up now, wait till you get older, but the medium
picture. The ice-wing skin is getting pretty thin. The one's waiting like a seal runners with slim. The world's on fire, how about yours? That's the way I like it, I'll never get bored. Everybody!
Yeah, turkeys! And look, it's true! It's the white team!
Journey Revisited rocks you from the San Bernardino County Fair. Woo!